G'day guys, Seeney here and welcome to another episode on the Australian Wealth channel. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the infinite money glitch. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Really helps to get these videos out to more people. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the ultimate cheat code, the cheat code that every single person wants, and that is the cheat code for free money. If you think about that for a minute, every single person wants to have more money. Now, there is certainly a way to do this, and I'm going to explain this in the video, so please make sure you share this with your friends if you find this information useful. So very recently, into my bank account, I just had $85,000 dropped into my account, completely tax-free, money that I can use to invest. Now, how is this possible? You know, we spend a lot of our time as investors trying to build up capital so that we can go and invest and get a return. So how is it that I've just managed to get 85,000 bucks just dropped into my account? Well, this comes with a few preconditions which I want to talk about. Firstly, it's very important to be able to be holding assets. Now, in particular, we're not talking about assets in general, we're talking about real estate. So the first move is to make sure that you are holding some kind of real estate. It's very, very important. So I'm going to take you guys through the process now of how this happened. So we purchased our property a couple of years ago, or getting close to a couple of years ago now, for around $820,000 here in Sydney. And as you may have seen in the very recent past, the market has been on an absolute tear. We've seen property prices go up dramatically, double-digit growth within a year, which is just insane for the real estate market. So what that means is that our particular property has grown in value quite significantly. It's now worth over the $1 million mark, which is really, really good for anyone that is in the housing market. Very difficult for those that are trying to get into the market. So we've seen so much growth. So because our property has increased in value over time, what the bank will do is they'll say, okay, well, your property has increased this much. We will let you borrow more money against your property so that you can go and invest in new ventures. So this process is known as a cash out refinance. So as the property goes up in value, you can take more money out of the property to go and invest in new ventures. So that might be stocks, it might be index funds, or it might be another property. There's many different avenues that you can take with this. Now, some stipulations with banks is say you have to take the money to invest, and that is 100% what you should be doing with it. You shouldn't be taking money out of your property and doing a cash out refinance to go and buy stupid things. It's not a very financially smart thing to do. Of course, you know, it's your own money, do what you want, but you should be taking money like this and going and making investments that will produce cash for you in the future. What has happened is the property's gone up in value and I've taken the money from this property and that has just landed in my bank account, and I will be using this to go and purchase another property. And you might be saying, Jay, well, if you're taking money out, you're borrowing money, obviously there's going to be some interest costs attached to that. And you know what? You are correct. There is in fact interest costs. I think it's around $200 a month, roughly, that it will be when this money has been used on purchasing an investment. But the thing is about this is that when you're using borrowed money, if you're getting a return that is better than the interest rate that you're paying on borrowing the money, then you are actually making money. You know, it's not costing you anything to hold this money. You know, it might detract from a little bit of your returns unless you use your own money, but by having someone else's money have other people's money work for you and generating a return that way, it's basically free money. So this process, as I said, is called a cash out refinance. So a lot of people that own homes in Australia might have seen in the last couple of years that their property values have just gone up dramatically. So this is something that you might be able to do to get hold of more money to invest. Now, of course, you need to take into account your own situation. With all these lockdowns going on, it might not be a smart decision for you to do that right now, seeing that a lot of people have reduced cash coming through the door. Anything that you do purchase, if it's real estate and you're taking on debt, you need to be able to make sure you can service that. So make sure you don't take my word for it and just do it. You make your own decisions when it comes to this. But it is a very interesting trick that a lot of people use to build a property portfolio really fast. A lot of people wonder, how is it possible that these people, they just, they seem to get so many properties so fast? Well, this is one of the tricks. This is one of the ways to do it. So if you found this video interesting, please leave me a comment on this video. I'd be really keen to hear what you guys think. And if any of you guys have done a cash out refinance before, because it's a very interesting technique, which allowed me to keep my stock portfolio as is. I don't have to dip into that, sell out of anything so I can go buy more real estate. No, I can actually borrow from my current property to go and purchase another real estate property. So not only am I seeing appreciation in my stock portfolio, but I'll be seeing appreciation from another real estate property as well. So there's gains everywhere at the moment. So, it is a time to make hay while the sun shines, but, you also do need to be careful and make sure you can service that debt if any issues do arise. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's a very interesting little trick, that one. So please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps to get these videos out to more people. So my name is Seeney from Australian Wealth. You can make sure you get your free stock in the description. I have a link to Stake, and if you sign up with them, deposit some cash, then you know what? You're gonna get yourself a free stock. It could be GoPro, which, maybe we might avoid that one, or it could be Dropbox, which I'm currently invested in, or it could be Nike, and that could be worth over $100. So if you're interested in that, please click the link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. My name is Seeney, and we'll see you later.